Let's make a bundle.
Where are you going, Meenu?
We are going to the field. You can also come with us.
What is she doing?
She is making a bundle of sticks, Buzz.
Look, she has made a bundle of 10 sticks.
10 sticks?
Come, let us also make a bundle of sticks.
I will also bring some sticks. Raja, you also go and get some sticks.
Okay, first let us take out 10 sticks. Let us start counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
It's 10.
Let us make a bundle now.
How do we do it?
You can use my rubber band. Let us put the rubber band around these sticks. Now we have a bundle of 10 sticks.
Let us count 10 things of something else, Meenu.
Okay, look at that auntie. She has bananas in her basket. Let us count 10 bananas.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. See, there are 10 bananas in this bunch. Thank you, Auntie.
Look, there are lots of flowers on the ground. Let me make a bunch of 10 flowers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Meenu, this is for you.
Thank you, Buzz. You are so sweet.
Oh, what have you got for me, Raja? That's so sweet. He has got lots of balloons for me. Let me make a bunch of 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Look, this is a bunch of 10 balloons.
There are some more left. Can I count them, Chinu?
Oh no, go away, Buzz. You will burst them.
There are
1, 2, 3, 4 balloons left.
So, we have one bunch of 10 balloons and 4 more balloons left. We also call it 1 tens and 4 ones.
Oh, what is that?
I will tell you how. Let us go home now. Papa has got us a new board. I will write and show it to you.
Come quickly, Raja. Let us go home now.
Oh, look at this board. It's lovely. Thank you, Papa.
Quickly, quickly. Now tell me how to do it.
Okay, let us write tens. Now let us write ones.
We made a bunch of 10 balloons. How many bunches did we make, Buzz?
1 bunch.
So we write 1 here. It is 1, 10.
Oh, it's like that. 1 bunch of 10 balloons.
That's right. How many more balloons did we have then?
There were 4 more balloons.
So let us write 4 here. That is 4 ones.
Okay, now I know 4 ones. Meenu, I know it is 1 10 and 4 ones. Let us do it with my flowers also.
Yes, we will. There were lots of flowers on the ground. You made a bunch of 10 flowers. How many were left?
There were 6 flowers left. So we say 1 10 and 6 ones.
That's right, Buzz. You are smart now. But you trouble me with your buzz.
Look, there are lots of leaves on the ground. Let us make a bunch of 10 now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Look, I have kept 10 leaves here.
There is one more leaf left. So it is 1 10 and 1 1.
Let me write it. 1 10 and 1 1. Look, 1 10 1 1 make 11. There are 11 leaves in all.
Yes, 10 leaves and one more leaf is 11 leaves.
That's right, Buzz. 10 plus 1 is equal to 11.
Look, I got one more leaf.
So, it is 10 leaves and 2 more leaves. That is 1 10th and 2 ones. That makes it 12.
Oh, so 10 plus 2 equal to 12.
Okay, let us do this now.
Meenu, wait. I will also tell 10 plus 10 equal to... Oh, I don't know. What is 10 plus 10 equal to 10 10?
Oh, Buzz, you don't know anything. It is 20. 10 plus 10 is equal to 20.
20?
Yes, it is 20. Look, there are 2 groups of leaves. This has 10 leaves. This also has 10 leaves.
Look here, Buzz. So there are 2 tens and 0 ones. So 20 plus 0 is 20.
Oh, there are 0 ones. 2 tens is 20. Now I know. Can I count more, Meenu?
Wait. Now let us do this. I will write a number, Chinu. Can you write the tens and ones? 33.
Yes, Meenu. 3 tens plus 3 ones. 3 tens is 30. So it is 30 plus 3 is equal to 33.
Can I also do this, Meenu?
Okay. I will give you a number. 54.
I know. It is 5 tens plus 4 ones. 5 tens is 50. So it is 50 plus 4 equal to 54.
Now I will write a number. 99. Meenu, can you do it?
Okay. It is 9 tens plus 9 ones. 9 tens is 90. So, it is 90 plus 9 is equal to 99.
Come, let us play marbles now. First, let us count the marbles. You count this, Meenu. Buzz, you count this. I will count these.
I have 1 tens and 4 more marbles left. So, I have 10 plus 4, 14 marbles.
I have 1 tens and 5 more marbles left. So I have 10 plus 5, which is equal to 15 marbles.
I have 1 tens and only 1 more marble left. So I have 10 plus 1 equal to 11 marbles.
Let us count the left marbles now and make a group. I have 4. Chinu, you have 5 and Buzz has 1. Let us count them.
I will count the marbles. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, 10 more. So that is one more group of 10 marbles.
That's right, Buzz. You can collect leaves, seeds, small sticks, books, or vegetables and make a bundle of 10. Then you can count the numbers. It's lots of fun.
Shall we break up into tens and ones? 55. 5 tens plus 5 ones is equal to 55. Seventy-one. 7 tens plus 1 ones is equal to 71. 88. 8 tens plus 8 ones is equal to 88. 47. 4 tens plus 7 ones is equal to 47. 68. 6 tens plus 8 ones is equal to 68. 19. 1 tens plus 9 ones is equal to 19. Let us match the following now. Can you tell the answer loudly and help us?
30 plus 3. 33. 50 plus 6. 56. 80 plus 7. 87. 40 plus 2. 42. 90 plus 9. 99. 60 plus 5. 65. 30 plus 3. 33. 50 plus 6. 56. 80 plus 7. 87. 40 plus 2. 42. 90 plus 9. 99. 60 plus 5. 65.